Hello guys! So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a peer-to-peer messaging system on Wix. We will go through the steps to establish a community where members can interact through private and group chats. Whether you're building an online community, a social platform, or just want to enhance communication within your site, this tutorial will guide you through the process. Let's start by integrating Wix Chat into your site. To do this, you need to launch your Wix editor. You'll find a menu option on the left side of your screen titled Add Apps. Click on this and then proceed to look for Wix Chat. Once you've located it, make sure you add it to your website. This effectively sets up the primary framework for our messaging system. Wix Chat is a powerful tool that will serve as the foundation for your peer-to-peer interactions, so it's important to get it set up correctly. If you're running an online store or a service-based site, adding Wix Chat can also help with customer support. It's versatile for both community and business use, allowing for quick and seamless communication with visitors. Next, let's proceed to enabling members' chat functionality. For this, you'll need to visit the dashboard of your site and access the chat settings. As you scroll down these settings, you will notice a section labeled Members Chat. Here, you'll find an option to enable the Members Chat, which should currently be toggled off. You're going to want to toggle this option to enabled. By doing so, any member who logs into your site will be able to engage in chat conversations with other members and even have the ability to create group chats. Enabling Members Chat is great for building a sense of community, but you might want to monitor interactions, especially if your site has a large number of members. You can always customize the permissions later if needed. Now, for Members Chat to function properly, your site needs to have a few additional components. These include a members area and at least one social app, such as the Wix blog or Wix forum. So, if you don't have a dedicated area for members installed and functional, now is the time to do so. Also, take a moment to integrate a social app if you haven't already. This is a crucial step in fostering engagement and creating a vibrant online community. Suggestion: if you're unsure which social app to use, consider integrating a Wix forum or a Wix blog. Both can generate discussions and give your members additional places to interact beyond the chat feature. This will make your community more engaging. The next step in this process pertains to member registration and the joining of your community. Ensure that when members register for your website, they are presented with the option to join a community. It's important that at least one member of your site opts to join this community, as it will promote interaction and kickstart your newly created messaging system. Make the community sign-up process as easy as possible. You can customize the registration forms to ask for relevant details, which will help you better understand your members and tailor your community experience. The final step is managing your members' chat. As the site manager, you have control over which members have access to the chat. Managing your site members from the Wix dashboard provides you with this control. With this capability, you can regulate private and group chats among members, ensuring that your new peer-to-peer messaging system runs smoothly and efficiently. You can create member roles and set permissions to control who can start group chats or send messages. This will help maintain order and ensure that the messaging system remains safe and enjoyable for everyone. By following these guided steps, you have now successfully set up a peer-to-peer messaging system on your website. This will definitely enhance communication and interaction within your online community. With these tools, your site can foster deeper connections, whether it's for personal networking, professional collaboration, or just creating a fun place for your members to interact. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.